Hello children, today we are going to discuss chapter 2nd, that is acid, bases and salt. In this session of chapter, we will discuss about indicators. What are indicators? Indicators are substances which show different colors in acidic and alkaline solutions. Litmus is a common indicator. It is red in acidic solution and blue in alkaline solutions. Some other indicators are also there. That indicators are known as synthetic indicators. Like methyl orange. Methyl orange shows red color with acids and yellow color with alkalis. Litmus shows red color with acids and blue color with alkalis. Same phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein becomes colorless with acids and pink with alkalis. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein, these both are known as synthetic indicators. What is pH? The pH of a solution tells us how acidic or alkaline a solution is. The pH is a measurement of a hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. The pH of a solution can be measured with a pH meter. This is a pH meter. The lower the pH, the more acidic the solution, and the higher the pH, the more alkaline the solution. If pH is 7, then solution is a neutral. In distilled water, sugar solution and most salt solutions, these all are neutral. Means the pH is 7 of all these solutions and distilled water. Some other indicators are also there, like universal indicator. The universal indicator consists of a mixture of dyes which changes its color in different pH solutions. We can use the universal indicator to tell us the approximate pH of the solution. The universal indicator or pH changes its color according to the pH. Now we will discuss about types of oxides. Elements burn or react with oxygen to form oxides. There are 4 types of oxides like acidic oxides, basic oxides, amphoteric oxides and neutral oxides. An acidic oxide is an oxide of a non-metal. It dissolves in water to form an acid. Acid oxides react with alkali to form salt and water. Basic oxides is an oxide of a metal. If soluble, it will dissolve in water to form alkalis. Basic oxides reacts with acid to form salts. An amphoteric oxide is an oxide which can react with both, with acid also and with alkalis also, and in both conditions it will form salts. The neutral oxide, these oxides will not react with acid or bases. Here we will discuss some examples of these oxides. Acidic oxides like carbon dioxide, SO2, NO2 and NO. These all are acidic oxides and these will react with alkali to form salts. Some example of basic oxides like Na2O, CaO, K2O, MgO and CuO. These all are basic oxides. These oxides will react with acid to form salts. Amphoteric oxides like Al2O3, PbO, ZnO, these all are amphoteric oxides. These oxides will react with both and with acid also and with alkalis also, and these will form salts. Neutral oxide like water, H2O, CO and N2O. These neutral oxides will not react with acid and alkalis. So, dear children, this is the description of the indicators and oxides. Thank you.